With COVID-19 pandemic happening for months, millions of workers has lost their job. This situation make them to pursue another way to make money, and one of them is by opening small online business. Many of those promote their small business with Instagram. And with this challenge, we try to search an option to promote their product in Instagram. And we hope it can bring more traffic to their product. So in this tutorial, we will make a promo card filter. There's 3 parts in this tutorial. First is the preparation on using Spark AR Studio. In this part, we'll be discussing on what requirement we need, like the hardware, software, and account to run Spark AR Studio. The second one is how we make the promo card filter. In this section, we will learn how to use face tracking feature and gallery texture to make the promo card. The last one is how we publishing the filter, so people and you can easily use the filter on Instagram. With this tutorial, we hope that people can learn how easy it is to create a filter using Spark AR Studio and having fun in creating it. So have fun!